Hi, today I will be showing you how to get the Python software and a basic simple code that you should learn when you're starting to learn Python. So first off, how to get the software. Go to www.python.org. There. Then you want to go to download. So just press this downloads button and then click on this download Python 3.9.4. It might be different because you're in the future, so it doesn't matter really what it says. Just click on download the Python, whatever. So after you did it, I'm just going to open mine up. Okay, I got mine up. Then press on file and then press open. No, not that. I mean press new file, yeah. And then delete that one. This helps because you can press the run button and then the code will work. For the other one you just press enter, it will just work. So now we will learn the simple code print. Just type in print. It shouldn't be capitalized or any spaces. Print parentheses. And then write quotation marks. You have to always remember to close it. Same with the parentheses. Write something like hello world. There. This is what you can do. And then if I run it, you just have to save it. Simple code example. Okay, you get a new thing, the shell. You get the shell, which is where the run, where you run it. I mean, you don't run it, but that's where it shows up what you run. Hello world. There. You can write other stuff. It doesn't have to be a hello world. You can write something like blah blah blah. Blanos, whatever that is. Blah blah. But look what happens if I don't close it. Run module. Just press OK. EOL while scanning string literal. Some error comes up and then you do it. But if I put it after the parentheses, it won't work because the parentheses is in the string and it's not part of the print. So look what happens. It will come in under unexpected EOL file parsing, whatever that is, but blah blah. The parentheses isn't there. If we put it parentheses outside, it will work, but something it won't come blah blah. It will come blah blah, closing parentheses. See? Okay, zoom that in, and then there. So you always have to remember to close your stuff. So that's it for now. Our next video will be on how to create variables. So hope you like this video. Please remember to subscribe, share, and turn on your notifications so you will never miss out on a video that I post. Bye.